coming against the backdrop of significant rain and high winds expected in the Santa Clarita Valley today.
KTLA's Alina Bovian in Santa Clarita with a look at conditions there. Is it coming down? It looks like it's dry where you are at the moment.
No, it's not dry. The
Okay.
only reason it's dry is because we were smart enough to find this awning here. This is Fire Station 150 here in Santa Clarita, and we're checking in with them just to keep an eye on things, find out if there have been any major floods out here. So far, everything is pretty calm. It's just been a very wet morning here in Santa Clarita. Now, you guys did mention that Six Flags is closed. Of course, no one's going to want to be at Six Flags while it's coming down like this. It's been steady, but it's been like this since 4 this morning. So if we pan over this way, you can see the conditions out here. Not really very windy. It was earlier this morning, but it is raining. It has been non-stop. Now, according to the National Weather Service, they say if it continues this way, we could get about 5 inches of rain here in Santa Clarita. Additionally, 25-mile-per-hour winds. If the thunderstorms form, we could see gustier winds and flash flood warnings.
The dry is a little bit danger, but the rain is pretty good. It's not too hard, and everybody driving safe, and everything is pretty good.
And you're cozy inside with coffee at Starbucks.
Yes, like today I'm not working. I come in to take my coffee off. Yeah.
And for the next few days, this is the recommendation to the public. Take a look at this. Experts say we could be in for some flooding, possible power outages. Stay back from large dangerous currents, whether surfs, especially if you're at the beach. Prepare for possible morning coastal flooding. Watch out for rock and mudslides, especially in recent burn areas. And residents urged to move their parked vehicles if it is in low-lying areas, or if your home is a low-lying area. Make sure you have those sandbags out. Back out here live. Sandbags, of course, you can get them at any local fire station. Here, Fire Station 150 in Santa Clarita, they say so far it's been a pretty calm morning here. The commute, luckily people are home, and like you just heard from that gentleman, if you have the option to be inside and to be cozy, don't go outside, guys. It's not the day for it. We'll send it back to you.